Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey is recognized as one of the mainstay helicopters for the U.S. Army because the advanced helicopter has classy technology in conducting combat operations in various parts of the world and is able to carry out missions well. The V-22 Osprey, also referred to as the most recognizable helicopter, is also mentioned. Why? The helicopter has a unique design, which is almost impossible to mistake for other aircraft. It's not just about the appearance that is interesting. However, the performance provided by this military platform brings the best fixed and swivel wings into one impressive design. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey, a versatile military aircraft known for its unique tiltrotor design, combines vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities as well as short takeoff and landing (STOL). Equipped with complete independent runway technology, the aircraft can take off and land wherever needed. Technically, the aircraft is designed to combine the functionality of a conventional helicopter, with a much higher speed, altitude, and range when compared to the capabilities of other transport helicopters. Even though it has the ability to take off, land, and hover like a helicopter. However, as previously explained, the V-22 Osprey is not actually a replacement for a helicopter, as it was built to fill the gap between the capabilities of a helicopter and a fixed-wing turboprop aircraft. It is categorized as an empowered lift aircraft by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. For its capacity, the V-22 Osprey aircraft can accommodate a maximum of up to 24 personnel in one flight. In terms of performance, the V-22 that provides flexibility can be used for a variety of missions, including long-range infiltration, exfiltration, medium-range attacks, special operations, VIP transport, supplies, disaster relief, search and rescue, medical evacuation, and humanitarian missions. When carrying out combat missions, the V-22 Osprey can increase its capabilities, which are equipped with several armaments, including an M250 caliber machine gun mounted on a downhill road, and a 7.62 mm gun mounted under the fuselage and in the rear. Also, for future upgrades, it can be equipped with a 2.75-inch laser-guided rocket, missiles, and a belly-mounted minigun for suppression shots. As we know, the V-22 Osprey is the first tiltrotor aircraft, which is mass-produced. As we can see, the aircraft known as a turboprop engine 3-blade propter and a transmission nose is mounted on each wing tip. The flying aircraft, powered by two Rolls-Royce AE 1107C engines, at both ends of the wing are connected with drive shafts to a shared central gearbox, so that one engine can drive both protractors in the event that one engine fails. As written on the official Boeing website, technically, the V-22 is capable of reaching speeds of 500 kilometers per hour, much faster than helicopters, and has a range of more than 952 kilometers, as it is capable of refueling in the air. The ability to refuel in the air using a high-speed drogue allows the V-22 to fly continuously for several hours or more, and to date, the V-22 has surpassed more than 700,000 flight hours. It is known to have twice the speed of most average helicopters. The V-22's speed and wide range area allow for fast response times during the golden hour, or the first and most critical hour after an incident. In addition, the V-22 has an avionics system equipped with a glass cockpit. By combining 4 MFD multifunction displays, It is compatible with night vision glasses and one shared central display unit to display a variety of images, including digimaps. Furthermore, there are images of the turreted forward-looking infrared system, the main flight instruments, navigation, and system status. V-22 Osprey, which is equipped with a modern fly-by-wire flight control system. This high technology can help pilots have less workload and high situational awareness. This system has computerized fault control to automatically isolate the damaged area. With the nutshells pointing straight up in conversion mode at 90, the flight computer commands it to fly like a helicopter, a cyclic force applied to the conventional swash plate in the rotor hub. For compact storage and transport modes, the rotatable wings of the V-22 can be parallel to the fuselage. Then its propeller blades can also be folded horizontally, so that the aircraft can be efficiently stored on aircraft carriers or assault ships, allowing the tiltrotor aircraft to be transported to complete missions around the world. Previously, the V-22 Osprey made its first flight in 1989 in Arlington, Texas. During its 35-year service, about 500 units of the V-22 have been ordered to complete combat missions as well as other important missions. You need to know the appearance of the V-22 Osprey in the air. Comies from the Joint Service Vertical Takeoff and Landing Experimental, JVX, aeronautical program of the United States Department of Defense, which began in 1981. The team, formed by manufacturers Bell Helicopter and Boeing Helicopters, was awarded a development contract in 1983 for the team's tiltrotor aircraft rather than Bell Boeing jointly producing the aircraft. As a joint military service provider, tiltrotor variants are used in 3 branches of the U.S. military with various model variants, including MV, CV, and CMV currently operated by the U.S. Marines, Air Force, and Navy. Outside the U.S., currently only Japan uses the V-22 Osprey aircraft. The V-22 was first handed over by the U.S. government to Japan in July 2020 and has now been used by the Japan Self-Defense Army. In addition, a number of countries such as the United Kingdom, Israel, France, and the United Arab Emirates are also reported to have shown interest in this aircraft. Worthy of appreciation, Bell was the first to successfully demonstrate tiltrotor technology. The company is breaking boundaries and challenging what is possible to redefine the world of aviation. Therefore, the V-22 Osprey has made a representation, with an incredible ability for Bell Boeing to reimagine the flight experience and transform an entire industry.